Bad landing. Casey?
I'm watching off of that.
Casey did a split midair. Well, it looks like it's on the phone, right? Shoot it. You shoot in the butt. Yeah, shoot her in the butt.
Oh, double kill. Yes.
Look at the game. Look at my phone. Like my phone's blue, but the game is like gray. You see it? Hack some stuff. Like hack it, like ATM or something. And the other one.
Cops chasing.
Give it up! Hold over! I'm gonna take this guy out. Stop! We will shoot you!
I want to see you try. Now I need one more. Now you can do it. You hit that so hard. That's way better. Oh, that's horrible.
Don't make things worse for yourself! Pull over!
Do you think I should put my face on the YouTube or your face or whatever? Do like a face cam. So bitches. You look at the brain. It's like we said last time.
Stop now! Stop where you are!
Wait till it reaches like. What do you think? Do you think should wait till it reaches like 5 minutes or so? You know how YouTube is at the end of it say please subscribe and everything? I'm gonna say like, cause I had like one person viewed all my stuff, but he never subscribed, so I did say please subscribe to any of them too. Like in all my videos it says 1 view, and then in one of the videos it said 1 like, and guess who liked it? Me. Ooh, why is it turn blue? Get different cars, son. What? Oh, you looking at my phone? Are you looking through my phone? Do that again. Okay. Alright. Please subscribe. Don't give me one view and one like.